There are moments in life where everything shifts, moments where you feel something bigger calling you. And honestly, this might be one of those moments. If you've been craving more time with your family, more freedom in your schedule, more peace in your finances, without having to sacrifice the people you love, keep listening. Our event, Global Freedom Launch, Create Income Around Your Family, isn't just a webinar. It's a blueprint for families everywhere who are ready for something different. You're going to learn how to build 10 income streams in 2 languages, how to tap into daily pay potential using automation and AI, and how to work less while living more. Just imagine waking up with systems running for you, having more choices, more ease, more time to actually live your life. That's exactly what this event is designed to help you create. And with 2025 right around the corner, this is your chance to walk into the new year already prepared, already aligned, already building the freedom you've been praying for. Your future self and your family will thank you for saying yes to this moment. Reserve your free spot at www.chillstar08blueprint.com.